Welcome to Reviewsinside TV. Today, we're taking a close look at the Shark Matrix Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop, a high-tech cleaner designed to make your life easier. This isn't just your average robot vacuum. This model combines powerful suction with sonic mopping, so it's got the tools to clean your floors in ways that go beyond the basics. Let's see how it measures up. This Shark Matrix Plus offers a whole home cleaning experience with a self-emptying base, meaning you won't have to worry about emptying the dustbin for up to 30 days. It's packed with features that cater to modern homes, especially those with pets or allergy sufferers. The vacuum boasts ultra-powerful suction and the ability to mop floors at the same time, cleaning carpets and hard floors effectively. One of its standout features is the Matrix Clean system, which works in a precise grid pattern, ensuring multiple passes over dirt and debris for a thorough clean. It promises a 30% improvement in carpet cleaning efficiency compared to other models in its line. Add in the CleanEdge Detect system, and you've got a vacuum that tackles edges and corners, with 50% better performance in those tricky areas. It's also equipped with HEPA filtration, capturing 99.97% of dust and allergens, which makes it ideal for households with allergies or pets. What sets this robot apart is its sonic mopping feature. It scrubs hard floors 100 times per minute, and when you want extra deep cleaning, you can activate Matrix Mop through the app for even better stain removal. Plus, the self-cleaning brush roll ensures that pet hair and debris don't get tangled, a common issue with many robot vacuums. Now let's talk about real-world performance. Setting it up was a breeze. Just a few steps to connect to the app, and you're good to go. The vacuum's mapping system, powered by 360-degree LiDAR vision, quickly scans your home, learning the layout so it can clean efficiently. The robot avoids obstacles in its path, which is great for homes with lots of furniture or pets that might get in the way. Once it's done, it returns to its base, empties the dustbin, and recharges itself, ready to pick up where it left off. The battery life is solid, and it seamlessly transitions between different floor types, hardwood, tile, and carpet, while maintaining strong suction power. Now, what about the downsides? While it's impressive in many ways, the Matrix Plus does come with a few minor quirks. The noise level isn't exactly whisper quiet, and while it's not overly loud, it may be noticeable in a quieter home. The sonic mopping feature works well, but can be a bit too aggressive for delicate floors, so you may need to adjust the settings if you have softer surfaces. The app works smoothly for the most part, but occasionally the mapping can be a little off when it comes to complex furniture arrangements. When it comes to value for money, the Shark Matrix Plus offers a lot for its price. You get powerful suction, a solid mopping feature, self-emptying capabilities, and smart home integration, all in one package. This vacuum is especially appealing to pet owners or anyone with allergies, thanks to its excellent filtration system and hair-picking performance. In comparison to similar robot vacuums at this price point, the Matrix Plus stands out for its combined cleaning capabilities. Vacuuming and mopping at the same time is a huge bonus for busy households. If you're considering alternatives, there are a few models worth looking into. For instance, the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus offers similar vacuum and mop functionality, but lacks the Matrix Clean system for precision cleaning and edge detection. The Roborock S7 Plus is another option with powerful suction and self-emptying features, but it doesn't quite match the Matrix Plus in terms of mopping efficiency. Both competitors offer strong performance, but the Shark's dual cleaning power might win over users looking for a vacuum mop combo that truly covers all the bases. Looking at build quality, the Shark Matrix Plus feels solid and durable. The materials used in the vacuum, base, and accessories are high quality, and everything fits together securely. The self-cleaning brush roll is a nice touch for keeping things running smoothly, especially if you have pets. Maintaining the robot is relatively simple though. As with any robot vacuum, you'll need to keep an eye on the dustbin, brushes, and filters to ensure long-term performance. So, who's the Shark Matrix Plus best suited for? It's a great choice for pet owners, people with allergies, or anyone looking for a low-maintenance cleaning solution that tackles both floors and stains. It's ideal for medium to large homes with a variety of surfaces and needs. If you're someone who's tired of manually emptying dustbins and likes the idea of a robot that can mop and vacuum at once, this model is definitely worth considering. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more reviews like this. And if you've tried this vacuum yourself, drop a comment and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time, where we'll be sweeping through another tech review here at Reviewsinside TV.